Yeah, to check this truck out. I think it's a 1955 Chevrolet. This thing kind of look neat. Look at those wheels on it. Yeah, I think those are 60s.